Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how you can make your own anchor navigation links with WordPress. So, first of all, what is anchor navigation links? So, anchor navigation links, is very easy to understand, but how? I'm going to show you as an example over here. So, let's just suppose this is my website and I am also a customer, right? So I ended up over here and I'm looking over here. Like you can see, I can contact this website owners or someone who is operating this website. I can contact them from over here very easily through email, right? So I can send the message from over here. But what if I am here at agents and I was looking for some agent, but I need some information? I want to message someone. So how you can do that? Obviously, you can click on contact and it will take you to the contacts. But what if I add a message section on top, and if I click on that, it will take me right over home page over here on this area, on this section. So that would be called anchor. If I'm like at agents page or FAQ page or contacts page even, or even like properties about us, so I can easily instantly I will end up over here by clicking on one thing. So this is what anchor navigation links. So how you can do that? So it's very easy to understand, and it's very, like, it will take some time, but you will understand what is going on. So let's get started. So first thing first, we need to go at our page or our website menu. How you can do that? Obviously this is our menu on top, right? So we need to go there and we need to prepare things over there. How you can do that? Go to appearance and click on customize. I have already opened it, so it's over here. As you can see, you will end up over here. It's very easy. So this is the header. We want to add something over here, right? So you can see this is all we have, but we have menu over here. These are the menus. If I click on menu and I will click on menu again, you can see these all have been added over here. But if I click on add items, and the first option is custom links, so here you will find to, like, you will add things which will end up getting anchored. How? You can see we have two options over here, URL and link text. So what is link text? It's very important, and URL is simple, is this one, your website, obviously. So I'm just gonna paste it for now. Obviously I'm going to change every single thing, but what if I'm going to change right now? I'm just gonna write down till io, like .io, right, from here. So now I want just link text. So how you can do that? I'm just gonna go to my pages and I'm just gonna find that page. I mean this one, I'm just gonna find this area. So how you can do that? It's on home page, right? So I'm gonna go find my home page and I'm gonna click on edit with Elementor. Remember that edit with Elementor, I want to go in that editing area. So once you click on it, it will take some time, but not that much. Obviously it's Elementor, and you will end up over here. So you can see over here you have this section and this has another section, and on the top left we have some option like edit columns. You can see that, right? Once you click on it, and if you go at advanced, this is where we are going to add something. So you can see this is CSS ID. So what is CSS ID? We are going to give this section only, this area, this message us area, a name, a particular customized name, which we will use for as CSS coding. So it could be anything, whatever you want. Like obviously this is message us, right? So I'm just gonna write message and underscore us. So this is the ID for this section, and I'm just gonna copy this for now, right, for future reference and for future things I'm going to do, right? So I'm just gonna copy this right now, and I'm gonna click on update. Just remember that update, otherwise it won't work, right? So after that, now you go back to your this menu section, and on the top URL area, go over here at the last of it, last like hyphen, and after that press shift and 3 for hashtag and paste that CSS ID which we got from over here, which we use that over here. Just remember that, update that over here, so it will work, right? So after that, just give a name to that link text. I'm just gonna write message, oh sorry, message us, and add to menu. Once you click that add to menu, you can see over here publish. Simple as it is. You can see on the top right corner we got our message us option. So it's very simple, right? Everything's going smooth. But let's see it will work or not. So I'm just gonna go to my website. This is my website. Obviously it's not showing up because I didn't even refresh, but I can go to another page, right? I'm gonna click on about us right now, and obviously it will end up showing over here also because it's the header. And you can see, just suppose I'm myself a customer for this website and I'm just reading this out, and I'm just gonna realize that I want to know something. I want to message them and try to find more information or related to that or anything, whatever you want. If I click right away from over here, I could go instant at the message section. Let's check that out. If I click on it, here we are. Easy as it is, you can just write your name, your email, and message and send a message. That's it. This is what we call anchor navigation links. And believe me, you can add this to anything. Like if you want this, contact us, and just suppose you have testimonial at the bottom, and you have your testimonial at the bottom, and if you want like, and you have your call to action button over here for testimonials, right? So right away, if someone's reading and he sees something, or he or she sees something like testimonial, oh wow, if she or he clicks on it, it will take right over at the bottom. So this is how you can use anchor navigation links with anything out there. Obviously I just showed you from like on the menu section and how you can do that. I can show you again, like if you are at properties and if you click on messages again, it will take me right over here. That's it. This is all you need to know about how to make anchor navigation links with WordPress. I hope you understand every single thing. It's a very simple topic and simple to understand. If you don't understand anything, please comment down below. Comment and like, subscribe. Bye bye.